So, today ang i-vlog natin, this would be the first time that we're gonna vlog this brand. Ang sabi nila, ito daw ang pinakamanipis at ang pinakabagaan na laptop. Now, we'll see it in our hands. We have here this Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. Okay naman. Alright, so wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Buksan natin to. Alright. We have the charger, so this is Type-C. I'm pretty sure it's also Type-C to Type-C. The laptop, mamaya na to. Printed materials, okay, and the charger. And yun nga, yung charger niya, Type-C to Type-C. Oh my goodness! Ang gaano! Tignan mo, parang wala akong laptop na parent nito. Oh! Ang gaano! Oh my goodness! Tignan mo gaano kanipis yan, oh. Technically, hindi naman siya yung sobrang nipis, pero ang gaan niya. Now, hindi ko pa binubuksan yung screen, no? I'm pretty sure that this is more than a 14-inch. Kasi we all know, pag ang laptop mga nasa 11-inch, yan ang magaan. Pero this laptop, probably 15 or 16-inch, pero yung gaan niya, mas magaan pa sa 11 inches. Oh my goodness. Top cover is silver. Ang keyboard niya is color white, even sa ilalim is color white. Grabe, ang gaan. Ang ganda ng screen, oh. Oh! Sa lahat ng brands na meron tayo, bakit Samsung ang gusto mo? Dati, nagkaroon kami ng mga Samsung, yung mga active book pa ang tawag nila. Ito is Galaxy Book eh. Probably from the word yung mga Samsung Galaxy phones. Pero, oh my, ang gaano, ano nga natin? Timbangin nga natin, paabot nga ng weighing scale. It's 1 kilogram. Pero parang pag binitbit mo, parang hindi siya 1 kilogram. Parang kalahati. Parang 0.5 kilogram lang. Or probably because mahaba kasi, of course, we're expecting, or baka yung mindset natin, pag ganito ka lapad ang isang laptop, technically, ang nasa utak natin, mabigat. Pero ang ini-input ngayon ng utak ko, ang gaan niya para dito sa ganito kalapad. Since we are already weight conscious with the charger, 1.2 kilogram. Now, let's talk about yung kanyang measurement. The width is 14-inch. The height of this unit, 0.5. And the depth is 9-inch. Now, about the ports, no, since this is a slim type laptop, we got here a Type A, an SD card, and an audio combo jack. On the other side, we got here dalawang Type-C and then an HDMI. Just to clarify guys, hindi to yung pinaka-slimmest laptop. Pero this is one of the slimmest laptop. I've already seen mas manipis pa. Pero never I seen na ganito kalaking laptop na 1 kilogram lang. This is alphanumeric with numpad. This is a backlit keyboard. Syempre, dapat naman. Keyboard brightness meron from level to 0 to 100. Hindi lang pansin ang kanyang backlit keyboard kasi directly kulay white ang keyboard niya. And then kulay white din backlit keyboard niya. Manonotice nyo yung ilaw niya probably if you're gonna use this laptop sa madilim. Tracking pad, isa na pansin ko, ang laki. One thing I've noticed on this laptop, no, the power is a fingerprint. So, pwede nyong i-unlock to through fingerprint by just pressing the power button. Let's proceed with the specifications of this Samsung Galaxy Book. Tingnan mo, mas mabilis pa yung YouTube natin kaysa TikTok, ah. This is an i5 11th gen? Hindi lang, no. Sana naman lang ginawa nilang 12 gen. 8 gig memory. Memory is a decent sa 8 gig. Storage is 256. Sana naman lang ginawang 512. Sama ko sa cons. Ang ganda ng screen niya, no? Pagkakamala mo siyang touchscreen, pero hindi siya touchscreen. Of course, Samsung Galaxy phones are AMOLED, so they apply it on their laptop. 16:9 aspect ratio, Full HD, 1920 by 1080. I'm pretty sure that Samsung can do more on Full HD since ang ganda ng screen niya, pero ginawang Full HD. Probably because pag tinaasan pa yung resolution, it will consume more power, and if it will consume more power, then they should have better cooling system on this one. Okay, so it is a 0.9 MP and what you're hearing is the audio quality coming from this here. Now, this laptop is running a Windows 11. However, it is only a Microsoft trial version. Katulad ng mga Huawei, meron silang tinatawag na Huawei Share that if you're using a Huawei phone and a Huawei laptop, ang bilis ng file transfer and yung mga ibang features. Now, isa sa mga tinanong namin, meron daw feature si Samsung. If you're using a Galaxy phone and then this Galaxy Book, there is a feature that it can be synchronized, but we don't have the full information yet. But we're gonna put it on the comment once we got the full information about it. Now, titignan natin kung ano pang pwedeng i-upgrade dito sa laptop na to, even though na manipis ang laptop na to, baklasin natin chassis. So, this is underneath the chassis of this Samsung Galaxy Book. Ay, mas maganda pa yung maipay ito, oh, mas manipis. May fan, nagulat ako. Akala ko wala. Pero syempre, manipis yung fan niya. It's fine. This is ideal fan for an i5 11th Gen. Hindi naman siya gaming laptop. So, the battery is here. Yeah, dapat malaki naman talaga yung battery niya. 2 speakers. I didn't see the memory on this one. Probably it's already on board. And, hindi ko rin makita dito yung kanyang 256 SSD, which is already on board. However, I did notice an M.2 slot. And, this is the first time na napansin ko M.2 slot is medyo parang nakatabingi. So, dito pwede ka pa mag-add ng additional storage. So, buti naman na hindi lang 256. Pero, guys, medyo mahirap backlasin ito. So, if you want to upgrade it, don't do it on your own. It would be best na hayaan nyo na kami na lang ang mag-backlash nito and then kami ang mag-upgrade para sa inyo. The Wi-Fi card is here. Ang laki ng spasyo dito. Actually, pwede sila maglagay ng extra memory dito. I'm not sure kung kakasya 256, but there's a lot of room na pwede pa magdagdag dito. Just to sum it up, hindi na pwedeng magdagdag ng memory because already on board. 256 is already on board, but you can add additional M.2. This laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 1-year store warranty. Proceeding with the cons. Number 1, it is an 11th Gen. Sana man lang ginawang 12th Gen para kahit paano it's more powerful and mas mabilis. Kasi 12th Gen comes with a P-Cores and an E-Cores. And number 2, we're talking about an i5, we're talking about an Ultrabook, we're talking about this luxury laptop. Sana man lang nagsama na sila ng Microsoft Office. And since this is an Ultrabook, since this is a premium laptop, lahat kasi ng premium laptop, ang ganda ng camera quality. But not this one. So, isa rin sa mga cons ng laptop na ito, hindi upgradable yung memory niya. Yung storage na 256 is also embedded, but it comes with an M.2 wherein na pwede magdagdag ng storage. And kung hassle sa inyo na baklasin to, meron naman siyang SD card na pwede maglagay ng expandable storage. About the cooling system of this laptop, wag lang kayo maglaro ng mga AAA games dito or yung mga Lumion level ng application. Possible uminit ang laptop na ito. Yung fan naman nito kasi hindi ganun kakapalat. So, ano pang cons dito? Hindi siya mabigat. Baka kasi may customer na naghanap ng mabigat na laptop eh. Okay, pros ng laptop na to. Number 1, it's undeniable na manipis yung laptop na to and it is so presentable. It comes with all-white variant. The one that I have is silver yung top cover. Ang nipis ng laptop and then sobrang gaan ng laptop. It's undeniable about the aesthetics of this, ang gaan. If you are a person that weight conscious sa mga laptop, bagay na bagay sa inyo to. Tignan mo, hawak ko lang isang kamay. Ay, pwede kong hawakan to na isang oras ng ganito na hindi ako nangangalay. Kasi ang gaan niya, oh. Pwede kong gawin pamay pa ito pag mainit, eh, oh.
I can do this all day.
Number 2, the screen. This is an AMOLED screen. So kung ano yung nakikita nyo ganda ng quality ng mga Samsung phones nila, ganun din, they also applied it on their laptops. Okay, ano pa? Ano pang pros? Number 3, magaan. Number 4, magaan. And number 5, magaan. Now, this laptop is mga nasa 60,000. Or baka here in Laptop Factory, bebenta namin ng mga nasa 55 to 59. Ayan, so just check our page. Sometimes baka ma-sale namin tong laptop na ito. But we already have this on hand. You can already inquire on our Facebook page. Just to sum it up, guys, no? Aesthetically, if you're weight conscious, bagay sa itong laptop na ito. But in case that you're interested on buying this Samsung super light Galaxy Book laptop, this would be available across all of our branches. Pwede rin installment. Congratulations nga pala sa winner nung Asus Mystery Box. Nasilip ko na yun. Ang gaganda ng mga nasa loob. So, congratulations sa'yo. Just message us on Viber para ma-claim mo ang iyong price. So, ayun. Nasabi ko na lahat ng tungkol dito sa manipis na laptop na to. Nakikita ba yun ako? Hindi naman siya ganun kanipisan, eh, no? Manipis, pero hindi ganun kanipisan. If you want to watch the other videos, just click on the link. Then again, this is Tito Dustin. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Di ba? Mas maigsi pa yung YouTube natin kaysa TikTok. Oh my goodness!